Do you think I'm pretty? Yes or no? Yes. Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. I haven't recorded in a while just because I've been super busy, and I'll explain a little bit about it like throughout the video why I haven't, because this crazy story happened. But yeah, this is a little get ready with me, but a little soft glam, getting ready for work, running late. So yeah, like always. So if you guys want to watch how I did this tutorial, very easy, very simple. I think I use on my face. I'll put it down in the description box. So yeah, keep on watching. Alright, so I already primed my lids using the LA Girl Pro Concealer. I'll be starting off with this color right here as a transition. And I'm just going to be applying it all over the crease again. I went swimming last weekend and I feel so tan except my face, but honestly I had all of my forehead red and I started to peel when I would wear foundation, so I stopped wearing foundation for the rest of the week and I would have skin just falling off. It was so embarrassing. And I'm mainly just gonna focus on the outer V. The reason why I was like struggling to post videos was because I was on prednisone, which is a steroid. I was on it for the beginning of August, I believe. For those who don't know, prednisone is the steroid. And I was using it for my hands because I have like, pain right there. And the prednisone felt amazing. I felt so good. Like literally, I was cleaning my house, I was cooking, started to run every single day. I think I was doing like 3.6 miles a day. And I felt so amazing, but I was sleeping like from 2 in the morning to 4 in the morning, so it was like 2 hours a night. And I got off it, I felt so sick, and I didn't realize, like, when I took it, when they prescribed it to me, I didn't realize like the side effects. I didn't look into that, like the doctors didn't tell me anything. I was just like, yeah, I'll take it, like if it makes me feel better then I'll do it. But the side effects are so horrible because I didn't know that you're gonna lose sleep. I had gone to the allergy like doctor and I was going for my tonsils because I want to get them removed, and the guy was like, your tonsils are normal, like you're not sick at all. And like, I don't know if you can tell how much I get out of breath because I can't like breathe at the same time. I was telling him, yeah, like usually August I get sick very easily. Like I don't know why I haven't gotten sick. Well, it says here that like you're on prednisone, like you're not gonna get sick anytime soon because prednisone like doesn't only make me feel better on my hands, like it makes me feel better everywhere, I guess. And it makes you kind of feel invincible because I was running off 2 hours of sleep every night and I was running like almost 4 miles a day, and I still had energy to do everything else. And I like did like 2 YouTube videos that week. I did a couple videos for Instagram. I was like cooking and cleaning. My house was super clean and everything. I had energy to like do everything, and on top of it, like my hands were okay to do everything. So once I got off of it, my hands were killing me, and then I got a big headache for like 3 days. My stomach was hurting me, and I don't think I was eating too. Like I would cook, but I wasn't really eating. I was eating like small portions. I was at work and I felt so sick and everything. I got like sweaty for a second. Like I was like, oh my gosh, like my eyes were rolling back. I did not feel good. On top of it, the main reason why I never want to take it again is because it makes you gain weight. Although I was on it for a very short time, I felt bloated afterwards. Like I felt very heavy no matter what. Like I would like just drink water and I was like done. I felt bloated for the rest of the day. I did not like that at all. Like I don't know, like till today, like I'm barely starting to feel normal again. Like it's just a weird feeling. You know when like you get like your monthly thing, so you just feel bloated? That's how I felt for like almost a whole month, and I'm starting to feel normal again. So I want to lose like 10 pounds because the beginning of last year I was like 10 pounds less than what I am right now, and now I'm like 10 pounds. I downloaded this app called Running, and it's really simple. So when I downloaded that app, I was on the steroids and I was doing 3.6 to like 3.9 miles within the same time of like 40 minutes, I think it was. So within 40 minutes I would do that much distance. Now that I'm off the steroids, I do probably like 3.2 miles within 40 minutes. And there's a huge difference because when you're on steroids, like, or at least when I was on it, it like made me feel, I don't know, like I was able to push myself, and now I'm like, okay, out of breath. My ankle's hurting me, like, but I'm pushing it. But like I feel like I did 4 miles, but when I'm done, my app tells me I did 3.2, and I'm like, oh, okay, like this is really challenging now. Running 2 hours of sleep was really bad because going to bed at 2 in the morning, like I even took melatonin because at that time I didn't know that I was only going to sleep 2 hours. So like, you know, taking melatonin is supposed to help you like sleep naturally without like, you know, drugs in it or anything. I think I took 2 one of the nights just so I can like sleep faster, and I still didn't go to bed until like another 2 hours until the doctor told me. And then like a couple of my friends told me that they're on it too, like years ago, and they're like, no, it makes you gain weight. And I'm like, my gosh, no wonder I'm out here running 4 miles but here feeling heavy. Because I'm getting ready for both of my jobs right now, and normally I don't get ready for one of my jobs. Like I don't even put like makeup at all, but the other job I have to kind of get ready because, like, you know, I have to look kind of presentable. So first I'm going to the job that I have to look presentable, and then I'm going to my other job that I don't even care how I look. So do like a very soft glam look because I need to look kind of good for it. This is the earliest I've ever recorded a YouTube video. So I've like, I don't know, it just feels weird, but like the lighting is amazing. And then no matter how early I wake up, I'm always running late to everything. I realized that like growing up, I was always late for school, for cheerleading practice, for any appointments, doctor appointments, like anything. I'm always running late. Like I could never be on schedule. And the other day I was looking at the time and I was like driving, and I'm like stuck in traffic, getting every red light, and I'm like, oh, I got 15 minutes to go to like my appointment, and I just accepted that I'm always late. Like, it doesn't matter, I'm always late. But yet life isn't fun always being on schedule, so I'm gonna get this color right here. Go back with this color right here. I'm gonna be lightly patting on the outer V. Using this one, but it's a little bit lighter shade than mine, than my skin right now. I'm gonna mix it with this LA Girl Pro Matte foundation. It oxidizes and it's a little bit darker than my skin tone, so I just kind of like to mix it a little, just a little bit, because a little bit like darkens it up a lot. For my lower lashes, I will be using this color right here with the pencil brush. From the middle to the outer part, I'm just going to put it. I decided not to use the lashes, like the falsies, because normally like I don't do that when I go to like both of my jobs. I usually just use my regular lashes. I did get my hair done recently, so in case you guys are wondering something different about me, it's probably my hair, right? If you guys like this tutorial, please give me a thumbs up, share this video with your guys' friends, subscribe down below if you guys haven't, put that notification bell button, you guys. Come on, YouTube is like trying to make it harder for every YouTuber to like grow from it. So with all those little steps, you guys will help me out, help your girl out, you guys. Come on. Thanks for watching. I don't fit in, I'm a stranger. Believer. I can take